In the heart of ancient Rome, where gods and mortals coexisted, a captivating legend unfolded. This tale revolved around the king of the gods, Jupiter, and his quest for the golden apples. The story began on the mystical island of the Hesperides, guarded by the three nymphs Aegle, Hesperia, and Arethusa. In this paradise grew the tree of golden apples, a gift from Gaia, the Earth Mother, to her granddaughter Persephone. These apples were said to possess the power to grant eternal youth and immortality. Jupiter, coveting such power, devised a cunning plan to obtain them. He transformed himself into a golden-winged bull, a creature of unparalleled beauty and majesty, and swam across the Mediterranean Sea to the island. The Hesperides, mesmerized by the sight, allowed the bull to graze on the lush grasses. One day, while the nymphs were distracted, Jupiter, still in the form of the bull, plucked 3 golden apples and swam back to Italy. However, the god Mercury, suspecting Jupiter's intent, followed him and helped him return the apples to their rightful place. Upon learning of Jupiter's scheme, Gaia was enraged. She threatened to withdraw all the fruits from the earth if Jupiter dared to touch the apples again. Fearing Gaia's wrath, Jupiter vowed never to touch the apples again. From this legend, the golden apples of the Hesperides became a symbol of eternal life and the cunning nature of the gods. Though Jupiter's desire for immortality was thwarted, his actions served as a reminder of the consequences of greed and deception, a lesson that echoed through the ages in the myths of ancient Rome.